In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove WPS Office as default in Android. This is a quick but very useful setting to know, especially if your phone keeps opening WPS Office automatically whenever you tap on documents, PDFs, or other Office files. By the end of this video, you will have full control over which app opens your files without uninstalling anything or changing complicated system settings. To begin, unlock your Android device and head to the Settings menu. This is where Android keeps all system-level controls, including how apps behave and interact with your files. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section related to Apps. On some devices, this may be labeled as Apps, Apps and Permissions, or something similar, depending on your phone brand and Android version. Tap on that option to continue. After opening the Apps section, you will see a list of all applications installed on your device. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if available and look for WPS Office. Once you find it, tap on WPS Office to open its app information page. This screen shows how the app is configured, including storage usage, permissions, and default behavior. Inside the WPS Office app settings, look for the option that says Set as Default. This section controls whether WPS Office automatically opens certain file types without asking you first. Tap on Set as Default to view its current default settings. If WPS Office is set as the default app for opening documents, you will see that information here. Now tap on the Clear Default or Clear Defaults option. This action removes WPS Office as the automatic app for supported file types. Once cleared, your Android device will no longer force files to open in WPS Office. The next time you open a document, your phone will either ask you which app you want to use or allow you to choose a new default app. After doing this, you can exit the Settings menu. There is no need to restart your phone, as the change takes effect immediately. This method is safe, reversible, and does not delete any of your files or app data. You are simply resetting how Android handles file opening behavior. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.